Good morning, Ballinger Creek. Mrs. Stein here for some more celebrations. It is Friday, May 21st. When did that happen? And boy, was it an amazing week at Ballinger Creek. First up, we want to give a huge shout out to our Girls on the Run. Boy, does it bring so much excitement and pleasure to my heart as I see these girls practicing around the school and in the community after school each week. So a special thanks to our helpers that help, and especially to Miss Gordon and Miss Calaraquel for all of their work. Those two teachers really take on this program. Thank you for your volunteering and your dedication to such an awesome endeavor. This week, I had the pleasure of visiting Miss Kenyatta's virtual second grade class. These students had been learning about quadrilateral shapes. They created their own shape bots, and then they were using them for an exploration to count and track all of the different quadrilaterals they were able to use in their designs. Awesome work. Speaking of awesome things, in kindergarten, we had our butterflies hatch. That's right. In Miss McGinnis and Miss Llewellyn's kindergarten class, there was a lot of excitement this week as those butterflies they've been taking care of have finally hatched. Soon, they will be let go and into our wonderful environment. Did you enjoy the chorus concert and talent show as much as I did? It was amazing. Thank you so much to Miss Barker for all of her work, not only coordinating the show, but working each week with our chorus members. They meet, and you see their names listed here. They meet weekly before school starts at 8 o'clock. Some of you may still be in bed to practice their craft. I also want to give a shout out to Kinley, Lanaya, Pamada, and Yusuf for sharing some talents with us. Way to go, everyone. Okay, here's some awesome Stick With It students this week. In Miss Llewellyn's 5th grade class, we have 3 kids who have completely beat Lexia. As my kids at home would say, they beat the game. Nathan Desir, Vivian Howard, and James Mitchell have completely leveled out of Lexia. They've completed every level, every activity. Those are some Stick With It kids. Way to go, 5th graders. And last but not least, how could we forget? We celebrated our 5th first day of school this week. That's because so many times through the school year, we've reopened under a different model over and over again. And this week, it was our 5th time. Boy, have our staff been dedicated and been so wonderful in being flexible and learning new ways to make sure we're ensuring all of our community is safe and can learn each day. You see highlighted here, Miss Llewellyn's kindergarten class. We have well over 100 kids in our cafeteria eating each day in our lunch sessions. And one really cool thing I got to see was during a reading time. If you can see here, we have our special friend, and she is reading words as she exits the classroom with her hand sanitizer with Miss Humble. That is multitasking and pretty cool. Boys and girls, it's been an awesome week at Ballinger Creek. Thank you for everything. Have a wonderful and safe weekend.